What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're talking about Plug Power and the future of this stock. As we can see, it's up 10% today. Why is that? Plug Power stock is riding the clean energy wave to $35. Analysts are loving this stock, and I'll go into reason why right now. But first off, let's talk about what Plug Power is all about. Plug Power provides alternative energy technology which focuses on the design, development, commercialization, and manufacturing of hydrogen and fuel cells used primarily for the material handling and stationary power markets. Its fuel cell system solution is designed to replace lead acid batteries in electric material handling vehicles and industrial trucks for some distribution and manufacturing companies. Now, this is huge, guys. The clean energy wave is here and it's going to sweep the globe. Plug Power is the best in-breed hydrogen company in the world, and they think the stock still has 150% growth coming. Back in 2000, renewable energy like solar, wind, and hydroelectric accounted for just 9% of US electricity generation. The stock is just on a rampage. It keeps growing and growing and growing. A little thing I wanted to talk about Plug Power was that their batteries have 583 million hours of runtime, 31.5 million hydrogen fills, and 6.7 pounds of CO2 removed in 2020. Now we see the world is turning to renewable energy, and that is why Plug is blowing up right now. People are realizing how hydrogen is so important for a part of our future. Now, a good example they used is saying battery electricity beats hydrogen when it comes to cost. Keyword efficiency, safety, and public roads infrastructure. To that extent, battery electricity will likely be the dominant clean energy source for passenger cars. Hydrogen, they say, beats battery electricity when it comes to range, recharging, and cost efficiency. Now, Plug Power is leading the application of hydrogen. That is why we are seeing so many people jump into this stock. Then we see these analysts say over the next several years, every other warehouse operator in the world will follow with Walmart and Amazon's footsteps and go green with hydrogen forklifts. What do we need for hydrogen forklifts? We need those hydrogen cells that Plug makes. It also, quote, says the company has leveraged its expertise in creating HFCs for use in the material handling industry to launch new HFCs designed for use in other end markets that could also benefit from hydrogen technology. But let's get down to the point. All in all, Plug Power is the top of the first inning of turning into all-in-one hydrogen energy powerhouse and becoming what may amount to the biggest hydrogen company in the world. If you are not in on this stock, I'd highly recommend looking at it. It is going to be a powerhouse in the future. It's a powerhouse right now. Like the video if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe as always. It helps me out tremendously. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, guys. We are at 51 subscribers. Let's hit 100 before the end of the year. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.